Well, good evening. And here is Vincent. Well, I'd like to begin with congratulations and welcome. You know, congratulations because I'd like to congratulate President Percy for passing with flying colors as a president of this club. You know, to be a president of this club entails, you know, high expectations. So we have to devote time, give more effort, more a little treasure spent. So it's really a tough job. But I can say, past President Personnel has passed that the test of being a president of this club, and shall I say, he has brought this club to greater heights. So I say congratulations to you, President Percy. I welcome the incoming president, or now the president, my protege, President Boots. President Boots, I welcome you. I welcome you to as the new president. And you know, as I've been saying before, the club is expecting so much from you. You know, there's a great challenge behind you because, you know, as past presidents here, if I may mention myself,
Yes.
as the baby Rotarian, I claim credit to be the first outstanding outstanding president and outstanding club. From the time on, the challenges has been bestowed to every incoming president. Past President June has surpassed his being a president also with flying colors. And so is past President Jesse. Oh, past President Randy has been designated, given a two designations to the district. The DI of the district, the dance instructor of the district is celebrating. They save a lot of money for being, for not hiring one DI in this person. Well, so President Boots, the challenges, many challenges are ahead of you. So we hope we are expecting so much from you, not to maintain or to bring for honor to the club. But they said, do not feel so pressured about it. Just enjoy, you know, the presidency, the whole body, the whole club. Is supporting you. So I also welcome, you know, fellow Rotarians. Last Saturday we had a planning. We had a planning, Chito, Rotarian Chito and Rotarian Georgie. We had a planning last Saturday, and among the plannings that we made, we plan to release you from the camp. So, I welcome you again.
Hindi mo daw na-mention si Bob.
I asked President Boots to talk to you because we're planning of, so before it happened, the words is welcome back to the club. I know RCUD or being a Rotarian is within your heart. You won't turn your back to Rotary because Rotary brings happiness within us. Ano ba yung nakakagawa ka ng mabuti sa kapwa mo is part of this Rotary. And you know, when you do something good, it brings back happiness to you more than you think. And also, sa Rotary, natitrain ka talaga. So, to the new incoming members, aspire dito sa club natin, bawal ang imuulit ang presidente dito. So, okay, matakot mag-presidente. Madali lang mag-presidente. Now, past president first can speak with confidence that he finishes his term. So, I encourage everybody to aspire to be a president of this club, of this prestigious club. Maybe the club will bring prestige to you. And we expect in return that you bring prestige to the club. So, thank you. Salamat sa inyo. Good evening.